guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back, as you can see in the title, for another first look of some hair, and this time this company is no stranger to this channel. It's going to be from Vain Luxe Collections. They just recently released two new textures, one being their Indonesian wavy hair, their Indonesian ripples, and the other is a texture that they brought back that a lot of customers were requesting, and that is their Laotian curly. So today I'll be showing you guys both of those hairs. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Indonesian hair. Now this is a part of their Silken collection, and I got 3 bundles of 18 inches. So I got 3 bundles of 18 inches, and they did have an introductory sale. And if you guys still want to buy this hair, although it's not at the introductory prices anymore, you can still purchase the hair, and you can purchase them in bundle deals as well. You can use my code Bahamas for 25% off of your purchase. Now this hair reminds me a lot of my Lao hair from Yummy. It is very dense, and it has a kind of a coarseness to it, but it's still very smooth and very soft. Now the bundles, they're wrapped a bit wide, so it may look a little bit smaller to you guys, but it's not, I promise you. It's just wrapped a little bit wide, but the hair is very dense. It has a lot of body to it, and the natural luster on this hair is just absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now Indonesian hair is completely new to me. Like back in the day, I think like 1 or 2 companies were selling Indonesian hair that I knew about, but you know, I never really got into it. But now I was happy that I could finally try it out. So this hair smells so good. It smells very authentic, and you could see the little ripples in it. They're very consistent throughout all 3 of the bundles, and this hair is going to be such a thick and dreamy install with lots of body. Like, ooh child. Now shipping, they shipped out my hair pretty darn fast. I think my hair shipped like the next day, and it was here with like within 2 days. They did not take long to ship the hair at all. What else can I say about this? The owner, she is very responsive, customer service A1. I never have an issue dealing with her at all, and you know, going to her with any like sort of problems with the hair, if I may have any. She's very open to criticism, and she takes it very, very well. She's not one of those owners that's gonna snap at you or be rude, or you know, think that their hair is like perfect every single time. Like, she understands if you do have a problem, and she'll try to correct it like the best way that she can. Now moving on to the Laotian curly. Now this hair is so, y'all, oh my gosh, y'all know. Now this hair is like some beautiful, like kind of kinky-ish curls. Like, I think they're probably around like 3B, 3C curls. And I only got 2 bundles of 16 inch of this, because the owner said, you know, 2 bundles will be good enough to do a full head. So I was like, okay, let's put it to the test then. Let's put it to the test. Now, as you can see, the bundles are very full, just like the Indonesian hair. So we'll see. I'm feeling like another bundle, but this hair, it's curly hair, and you know, curly hair does get very big, and this hair looks like it does get very big as well. So I think I'll be able to get away with 2 bundles and a closure of this. Now they do not have matching closures per se for either of these hairs as yet, but for the Indonesian hair, you can use another closure from their Silken line to match with this, and it'll work out fine. I have something in store for that, y'all, for y'all who, like, you know, can't afford an expensive raw virgin closure to match your raw virgin hair. Working on something to show you guys, so just wait on it. If it's successful, then y'all are gonna be very happy when I tell you all about it. But you can also get closures to match these hair textures from their other lines, like their Colossal. I think you can use the closure from my SEA Colossal curly hair. It will match with this pretty well. So yeah, it's not like you're not going to be able to find a closure on their website to match. It's just not going to be like directly under the tabs for these specific hair, because they're not, you know, made to match these specific textures of hair. But it will work out. It will work out. Trust me. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. I can't wait to put these hairs in my head so y'all can see, you know what's the dealio. Alright, so until my next video, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.